Your business uses tens of different softwares. The problem is, teaching people how to use these softwares and processes is a time suck. Imagine if you can capture all your processes in real time and share them with every member of your team without having to record a video. Enter Booklet. It's a software that teaches people how to use, well, software. Check it out. Let's say you need to teach your team how to use a new analytics tool. Just download the Booklet Chrome extension, click this button here, and walk through your process like you normally would. Then click here, and bam! Booklet automatically documents each step of the process with perfectly cropped screenshots and relevant titles in just a few seconds. So you can document everything from standard operating procedures, training guides, product updates, walkthrough on how to order lunch, or a tutorial on how to Photoshop Charlie. Experience the power of instant documentation. Now you can share this documentation with teammates, send an invite by email to your clients, or simply export it into the tool of your choice. Save time and never repeat yourself with Booklet. Download the Chrome extension and get started. It's free.